Good morning, friends. Sorry for the delayed video again. In before video, I have already told you what are exocrine gland, what are endocrine gland, what are hormones, and what are the example of exocrine and endocrine gland. In this video, I'm going to tell you what actually hormones are, what it affect, what are target cell, what are effective cells, what are neurotransmitters, and one of the gland from endocrine gland. So in before video I already told you that hormones are some type of chemical messenger. They secrete from endocrine gland only. Exocrine gland secretes only chemical substance in the lumen of the body. Again, I'm telling you what is lumen. Lumen is an empty space in the body. Now in this video, again I'm telling you what hormones are. Hormones are chemical signals. It actually help into communicate between cell by means of chemical. So what is the function of it? So hormones actually affect the target cell. What target cells are? Target cells are those cells that are affected by hormones, like maybe organ of your body or other gland or some type of tissue or cell. Okay, so in target cell your whole body comes from the cellular level to the organ level. Okay, now I'm telling you something that what is the difference between exocrine and endocrine. So first thing is that exocrine actually secretes substance, digestive substances, milk, saliva. Okay, but endocrine only secretes hormone directly into the blood or in the surrounding extracellular space. This is the first difference. So if I'm repeating this again, what is the difference? Exocrine secrete some cellular substance. Okay, what type of cellular substance? Like saliva, uh, bile juice, pancreatic juice, HCl, tears, the milk. These are some example of exocrine cellular substance, while endocrine secretes hormones only into directly into the blood. Okay, second thing is your endocrine system, or what I'm saying, that hormones are actually work with nervous system. They are coordinated with each other. Both influence other cells with chemical, like endocrine gland affect a target cell with hormone and nervous system affect with neurotransmitters. So both goals are different, both having their goals very different, but they have very coordinating work. Okay, now if I'm taking this, that what is the difference between nervous system and endocrine system. The basic difference between nervous system and endocrine system is this, that your neurons work so fast while hormones work so slow. Not that much slow like tortoise speed, but neurons act as light. Okay, very fast. Like blinking of your eyes is just like swift. Okay, and while hormone acts too long, in for a minute, for a week, or for some time, not more than week or a day. Hormones are slow in nature. They work in your body very steady and slowly. Second thing is neurons action, or I can say the action. ओके, सिंपल सीधी बात है कि जो चीज़ फास्ट होती है वो इतनी जल्दी डिस्ट्रॉय भी होती है. तो न्यूरॉन के जो एक्शंस होते हैं, जो एक्शन पोटेंशियल होते हैं, दे डिस्ट्रॉय वेरी फास्ट, डिस्ट्रॉय सो फास्ट. बट हार्मोन्स का जो इम्पैक्ट होता है, बिकॉज दे आर स्लो एंड स्टडी, तो इनका जो इम्पैक्ट होता है वो लॉन्ग टर्म होता है. द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज़ लाइक इतना इम्पैक्ट होता है कि ये सेकेंड से डेज तक भी आपकी बॉडी में रह सकते हैं. ओके, नर्वस सिस्टम किसी भी सेल को इम्पैक्ट कर सकता है. सेम फॉर एंडोक्राइन. ओके, और ये आपके ब्लड में कुछ टाइम के लिए, और ये दोनों ही, अगर ये तो आपके डिफरेंस हो गए, अगर दोनों की बात करते हैं तो दोनों ही सेल आपके नियर बाय को भी इम्पेक्ट कर सकते हैं और फार सेल्स को भी इम्पेक्ट कर सकते हैं. सेम फॉर हार्मोन्स. ओके, दोनों ही आपके ब्लड में रिमेन रहते हैं, काफ़ी लंबे टाइम तक रिमेन रहते हैं. Okay, this is for it. Now I'm taking one gland, that is pituitary gland. If I make a diagram for endocrine gland where it actually exists in your body, so I'm making a rough diagram. I'm making a human body very roughly, so don't judge me by my drawing. The human is so weak in nature. Okay, so this is just a rough diagram. Your pituitary gland, the important one, is in your head, situated in your head. One more gland is over here in the middle of the head. This is middle of the brain, actually I would say, pineal gland. Okay, in your neck two glands exist. See, one is capsule like structure I made. This is thyroid, and I dotted something inside it. I'm taking another pen. Okay, so this one, the dotted one structure, is a second gland, that is parathyroid. Now coming downside, near your stomach there is a gland, that is pancreas. It is a leaf like structure. Okay, now again come downside, over your kidneys there is a gland named adrenal. Now in the part of groin area there is a two glands. In boys it is testis, and in females it is ovary. Testis and ovary, commonly known as gonads. Okay, and the study of reproductive part or reproductive study is reproduction or developmental biology. This is for it today. If you like this video, you can like and subscribe.